In this video, we are going to see that if we want to clear the cookies and cache in Microsoft Edge for whatever reason, maybe you want to restore, maybe you want to just get a better speed in Microsoft Edge, here's how you can easily do it. First of all, just see on your top right corner, you have this 3 dots, right? Just click on that and go to the settings. And once we are in the settings, on the left hand side, we will click on privacy, search and services. And here we have 2 options, clear browsing data and cookies as well. But let's go in clear browsing data. Choose what to clear. Select this. Let's say that I want to clear everything from all time. You can select that. So let's say for all time, I want to clear, but not the browsing history, not the download history, but only cookies and other site data and cached images, because as we can see, it frees up 297 MB. So that's a lot. Click on clear now. So that's pretty much it. I hope you found this video helpful. And if you did, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel, and I will see you in the next one.